up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to part 61 and 62 today of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Yes, if you'd like to grab this iconic 1/3 scale replica and be building with me, follow this link to the Fanhome website, folks. Clickable version below in the description, and take out a subscription for this iconic 1/3 scale die-cast and plastic model. Right, I'll have a quick scope through the mags. History of ROBOCOP there. Loads and loads of blurbage, data files and all of that lot. Today we're going to be doing the waist sections. We're going to need our lower legs, and this is where we're working on our ROBOCOPs, folks. We're now dressing all of this waist up, ready to start building the torso, folks. It's coming, and that's what we're going to be assembling, and this is what it's going to look like on your ROBOCOP. We're on this middle ring, so we've got another one to go on yet, and then we'll be coming up underneath the chest panels there. Okay. Robots that fight for us, yes. Cyborg soldiers, drones, ship technology, automaton. Quite scary, isn't it, folks? I can remember seeing things like films like Runaway and the Terminator films years ago, and yeah, neurohacking here, things that can go in the brain and then they can switch them on and off and it can do stuff. People that suffer from central nervous system diseases and that. I mean, I suffer from multiple sclerosis, so implants like this could stimulate nerves that are damaged by this condition. So for me, if I could be a guinea pig and help people out in future generations, I'm all for it, because yeah, there you go. So that's that one. And then part 62, again, history of ROBOCOP there. Return of Basil Pildoris, yeah. Says the same but different. And here we've got the inner chest panel, folks, okay, with the speaker grill and everything. So there'll be electricity going in this, but we're not fitting this today. This is one of those, we've sent you it, look at it, put it away until you need it moments. So that's why I've put it in this episode for you. And then it's showing you where it's going to go, right up at the front there, underneath the two chrome chest panels that we received issues ago, folks, okay? You've then got some types of industrial robots, arms and things like that, massively used in the car industry now for years. New generation of solar technology, tandem cells, things like that. So loads and loads of blurbage, folks. So give them a read, and we'll bring in our parts now. So we got this inner ring to go on. This is going to go on the top of ROBOCOP to dress his waist. So we'll bring that in situ. We'll fit that for you, folks, okay? Now you'll notice on this you've got a little woodruff key that sticks out and one that goes in. This is so that when you slide this on, it locates a certain way, folks, okay? So let's bring in a robo waist, which is just there. And as you can see, you've got a corresponding groove, and at the back, you've got one of these poking out. So it literally can only go on the one way, like so. And it literally just dresses that off. Look at that. It's that simple, folks. Just a little push fit issue. So we'll stand that up for the moment, and we'll bring in the chest panel. Now I'm going to keep mine in its little vacuum form, but that's what we've got, and that's going to sit on top of that piece that we've just slid in. And then as you can see, you've got all your speaker grill mounts in there. So I'm going to leave mine in this, in its box. I keep an old Partwork box with all the small components in, like this, that are going to be used in future issues. Stops them getting damaged, folks. But that's quite a large panel, as you can see. Takes up the size of my end, and then we'll get a rear section of this that will come in a later issue, and then we'll hang our chest panels from this, and they'll be screwed in from the back. Okay, so keep hold of that nice and safe. Don't scratch it, don't lose it, just keep hold of it. So that's what we've got today, folks. So if you want to grab this for yourselves and build along with me, follow this link to the Fanhome site, take out a subscription, pop, for this wonderful, wonderful Partwork. Clickable link below as well, so you can navigate that way. To help me out, if you can just click little festikins in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all to be notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. It's growing. Look at it.